Good morning, good Wednesday morning, everyone. Today I have changed our usual Wednesday schedule to accommodate for the new schedule that will begin tomorrow. I will email parents the new schedule today as well as provide a copy on Seesaw. I also today have moved over some of our Friday one-on-ones. So please take a look at your scheduled time in the PowerPoint. Um, also, the one-on-ones are going to be held through Zoom instead of WhatsApp. It's going to be with my same ID. Uh, also, make sure you are logging on Zoom at your scheduled time. So I'm going to keep it open on Zoom and you just log in at the time that I have you scheduled. At 12 o'clock today, Miss Gaudiano will be holding a Zoom session for our class. So make sure you are logged in promptly before 12. And lastly, tomorrow is going to mark the new version of our schedule. So be ready for that. And hope everyone has a great day. Thank you. Bye.